Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Sora 2 for free without invite code and without a VPN. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get Sora 2, usually you will need invite code, and if you can't find the invite code, I'm going to give you alternative. So you can visit this website soru.cloud, and then you can sign up to this website with your Google account, and then you will get 10 credits for free. And if you want to earn more credits, you can invite your friends. You can copy the invite link and share it to your friends, and you will get 5 credits for free per sign up. And then you can use the credits to generate any video that you want here. You can add your prompt, and then you can choose the duration and choose the orientation and generate a video, and it needs 10 credits. And these are the videos I have generated using Sora 2 in this website. Okay, these are the videos, and yeah, that's so cool. And if you want to earn more credits, just invite your friends, and that's so simple. It can be your alternative if you can't access Sora 2 on the sora.com. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use Sora 2 for free without invite code and without VPN. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!